So Marty, where are we going?
To China. Bye, kitty. Hello.
Oh,
You're staying here.
bye-bye, baby.
Bye, kitty. Hello. Hi.
Okay. Hi guys, so right now we're in the airport, and if you're wondering where we're going, we're moving to China, but
Yay! Do you know why we're moving to China? No, I guess you don't. Tell them why we're moving to China.
well, we're moving to China because my dad got a job in China, but it won't be forever. I mean, my dad's already in China. We'll only stay
We've
there.
already been there for quite a bit of time.
Yeah, we'll only stay there for a few months, but we're still moving to China. Hello everyone! We just got off a plane ride of like 11 hours, and I am as fresh as a rose, as a dead rose. Because I slept 0 hours, 0 minutes, and 0 seconds. So I technically pulled an all-nighter, since when we will arrive in China, it'll be morning, so I don't want to go to bed. Anyways, as you can tell, Marty has a lot of energy.
Jet lag. Yay.
And everything is great. But the good thing is we're very excited to see our dad because we haven't seen him in like 6 months, so we'll finally see him again in China. So yeah.
And another good thing is that there's Starbucks at this airport.
Oh, that's a good thing. Yeah, there's Starbucks here, so as soon as it opens we're gonna go get something. Yeah, bye-bye.
I'm a grilled chipmunk.
We're having a healthy snack.
Crepes.
And carrots. Hi, Mom. Hello, everybody. So,
We arrived to China.
so we just arrived to our new house in China. Now we'll give you a little house tour.